Okay, we've got parentheses everywhere. So I'm going to say, hey man, this is the major parentheses, but inside we have these two parenthetical expressions, the plus 2 times quantity 3 minus y, and the minus 4 times quantity x plus 2. So just keep in mind, I've got two things going on at once. The 4 and the x here, they're not doing anything. They're just spectating right now. I'm going to distribute this positive 2 times 3, so that's going to be plus 6. Positive 2 times negative y, that's a positive times a negative, that's going to be a minus or a negative, and then 2y. Now here with the negative 4, we want to be very careful. Negative 4 times x is going to become minus 4x, and then negative 4 times 2 is going to become, a negative times a positive is a negative, and then 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, so just kind of keep in mind, after we distribute, we have to collect. It's just like any religious service. They distribute the baskets or the plates, and then they collect them. We're going to do the same thing, and we distributed a lot of stuff. We want to collect like terms, so we want to check to make sure, are there any like terms inside the parentheses. This is what I'll do, is I'll take the first variable term, in this case it's an x, and I'll circle all the x terms. So x, or also known as 1x minus 4x, is minus 3x. Oh, by the way, 4 is just hanging out here. Then I'll box my next variable term, which is a y. Looks like there's only one y term. That's the minus 2y, so nothing's happened to that. And then I'll triangle. I don't even know if that can be used as a verb. Actually, it can be, because I know from jiu-jitsu. But I'm triangling the constant terms, which is a positive 6 minus 8. That's going to simplify to negative 2. So we distributed and then collected. I collected like terms here. I know. Should be proud of yourself if you already figured that one out. But now we're going to distribute now this last 4 here. So 4 times negative 3x. And I'll show you this. I don't always show everything that's going on, but I want to show enough that you see what's going on. I'm just dropping the signs, the operation symbols as they are. So it's 4 times negative 3x. That's going to become negative 12x. This minus thing here is going to stay. 4 times 2y is going to become 8y. And then that's going to become minus 8. Now distributed, I want to collect. It looks like there are no like terms here, because there's like an x term, a y term, and a constant term. So we're going to try to box that as our answer. Let me see if I can work it out this time. So that becomes negative 12x minus 8y minus 8. Good luck, guys. Just be careful when you're distributing.